Hey, it's Debbie. It's time to stop working and do a movement snack or exercise snack. I put my blood flow restrictor bands on, pumped them up, so I'm going to do my experiment that I'm sharing with you, as you may be similar to myself, working at home, remote, and sitting is not good, or standing, not moving. So I also need some energy during the day. Working a computer is really hard, and I'm doing what I love to do, coaching athletes how to improve the aging process with nutrition and exercise, sleep, stress, and all that. I talk about my holistic method, but I also think we need more exercise breaks during the day. So I'm just going to strip. I wore my tank top underneath because it's hot, so good little trick is to wear exercise clothes under your work clothes. So here we go. I'm going to do a few exercises: a pullover, a one arm row, a bicep curl with this X3 bar that I don't love, and then I've got a slam ball if you want to add more cardio bursts. But what I'm doing is experimenting blood flow restrictive band. It slightly restricts the blood, obviously, but not totally. So you're pumping it up. So I'm going to get more out of each exercise. The protocol, they say 20 to 30 times, but as I said in other videos, I like heavy weights. 3 reps to 5 reps is what I do, because that's what's recommended for female athletes and people trying to get stronger. So I'm curious, does the blood flow restrictive bands work if I'm just trying to do 5 reps but doing it 5 times through? So here we go. If you have any toys at home, you can follow along. 20-pound medicine ball is what I'm using. So I'm going to go through and just give you a demo if you can see me. So pullovers you can do on the Bosu. I'm going to do on the floor 5 reps on here just to shorten the video here. But so pullovers are a good ab exercise. If you do them on the floor, I like to do them in a bridge or feet in the air. So there's different variations I'll do with clients or myself. So you can do feet up, you can do legs out, all sorts of things. Okay, so the next exercise I'll demo for you is with a free weight or a kettlebell. And I have my bench here. You don't need a bench, but one arm row. If I go 5 for the demo today, again, the protocol is 20 to 30 reps. But if I keep doing these over and over again, maybe that works. I will find out. I'm preparing for an interview with Dr. Mike about the science. The why is what I always want to share and learn. So one arm row with this microphone wire. So this is going to work back, lats, exhaling as I go up. But why should we use blood flow restrictor bands? That's what we're going to go over, the science, growth hormone, and I've been writing a blog researching on that. Now this band, standing on a band, make sure it's not about to rip that I feel like this one will, and slow bicep curls. So exhaling, coming up, I'll move back a little bit so you can see, but I'm just holding a little bit of a squat. The band's connected to the bar with a clip on each end. Now I can make this band heavier, or what I would prefer to use are the X3 bars. And you're going to breathe. So this will fatigue my arms pretty quick. And the other day I did those 5-pound weights forever, doing different arm exercise, shoulder raises. So that's tiring. So you want to get, so the last few I can't do anymore. So that's what I like to do when I'm lifting. So that's a bicep curl, kettlebell, medicine ball. And then I've got this jam ball, 25-pound. You can get lighter ones or heavier. So I can do it kneeling. So I'm going to be sweating on here, it's hot. And then you can do more core. So if I want to slam down, use my abs, use my arms, lift overhead, slam down. So you can come here, you can't see my head sitting here, but go overhead And pull up, so my arms are working, shoulder press, rotate core. And then you keep going. So you're gonna use your core so you don't feel your back. Exhaling, abs, arms, shoulders. So you don't need this heavy a ball if you're not used to lifting, but coming up and over. Okay, stop, repeat. So I'm going back to pullovers, my one arm row, lawnmower row, and then I've got bicep curl, those abs. So try the blood flow restrictor bands. So it looks like this. Then when you're done, you have to unplug it here. So working on arm strength, got sweat going on. Now it's time to dry off and go back to my computer, come back in an hour or two and do another workout break. So join me in these exercise breaks throughout the day. One round, come back and do another set, okay? Give it a shot.